Welcome to Baluchi Zone. This video is all about tastes in the Baluchi language. So let's dive into it. Taste, tom, tom. Sweet, Shirken or Shirin, Shirken or Shirin. Honey is sweet, honey is sweet. Binag, Shirken ent, Binag, Shirken ent. Salty, Sowr, Sowr or Sowr, Sowr, depending on your accent. Seawater is salty, seawater is salty. Zerr op, Sowrend, Zerr op, Sowrend. Sour, Tropsh, Tropsh. This lemon is sour, this lemon is sour. Limbo, Tropshend, limbo, Tropshend. Bitter, Zahr, Zahr. Zahr also means venom or poison. This tea is bitter, this tea is bitter. Ye chá zahrint, ye chá zahrint. And finally, we have spicy, spicy or hot. Sowchák, Sowchák. This chili is spicy, this chili is spicy. Ye pelpel, Sowchák ent, ye pelpel, Sowchák ent.